What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Matt if you're new here, and I own a laser engraving company, and I'm trying to help people get started. And this is what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in the P2 what you can do, different things. Now, I started a video, it would be at the end of this video, I'll have it linked, but it was the starting of your 5 life events, and that was babies. Now we're going to move on to, you can say, anniversaries and like a Mother's Day gift and so forth. So we're gonna, it's basically a gift. So we're gonna go on. I'm gonna show you what to do, and I'm gonna use the P2 because I don't use it much. I'm not gonna lie. I own a nice business. I have a lot of lasers. If you don't know, lasers, embroidery machine down there. Got a lot of stuff going on here. So I even ordered some wood for this. That sounded bad. I got some lumber for this. You sick-minded people out there. So we're going to start with the lumber I got. We're going to lay this out. We're going to cut it out. I'm going to show you what it is at the end. I'm not even going to tell you what it is. You're going to have to figure it out as I'm cutting it. So I have it all drawn up, all made, ready to go. And I'm excited to try this new lumber. Now, this is a new company, and they have some pretty good prices. And we got 3M birch, 3 mil, and we got 6 mil birch, Baltic. Now, what else we got? Naughty Abla. Honor. Come on, where are you? Got maple. I gotta figure out which one. I think I know. This maple's nice. I like the maple because it's like, it's got a sheen to it. It's really nice. But look at that. No need to even tell me what this is. This is black walnut. Man, it's that gorgeous. Oh, and this is cherry. No way. Look at that, 1/4-inch cherry. Mahogany. So I got all this stuff because it fits right in the P2. So for everyone that has your small lasers, Glowforge, P2, whatever, smaller lasers, you're looking for some wood, and he'll do it bigger pieces. I already talked to him. Good guy. His name's Jason. But he'll cut the size you want. He lives in an area right next to where there's a huge distributor. So I've been getting wood. I've been getting lumber from him. This video. Yep, you guessed it. I'm going to set all this wood on this nice box. Nice table. If you're wondering what is in this box, I'll show you in a video. Coming up hopefully soon. Now for this project, I'm going to go with mahogany. I already have it in there. It's in the computer, sent to the laser. All we have to do is cut it out, and it'll be a couple of runs, but couple of runs. Boy, this video, my mind is just going all over the place. Let's get this cut. And that's it, it's cut. So, I laugh because I joke around with Sam, and because he's got one of these P2s, it's loud. And he's got a Thunder now. It's loud, it really is. They're a nice machine, but it's loud. Here's the first piece cut. Whoop, lighting's messed up. Here's the first piece cut. Now, we can cut the other stuff out of this, or we can switch up the colors. I have to decide what I want to do. Give me 1 minute. Now this is just another example. I test stuff out and I really didn't like using the same wood as the border, so I went with the maple, and I think it pops, makes it look a lot better. Now as far as using the background, I got this big sheet. You can have this cut down at Home Depot. I got it from Home Depot, and it's whiteboard. So I don't have to paint it. It saves me a bunch of time, and I've been using this a lot more lately because it's just the speed of it is so much nicer. I don't have to sit there and paint it. Now, if you didn't have this, what I would recommend is paint a sheet of wood, white, cut a bunch of the sizes out, and then it's done. If you let it sit when it's painted, they'll tend to warp. So that's why I'm like, you just cut it all at once. But using this works very well, and I have more projects for this, but in different videos, and I'll show you what else you can use this for. But this is turning out great. I like it. Now what I would do is I would glue it. I'd glue it up with super glue. This is the super glue I've been using. The link is in the description. I'll have it towards the top right away for you guys. This glue has been great. I've been using it a lot, and it works awesome for all this. So once you get your puzzle pieces together, all you have to do is glue it, and you're good to go. And glue your outside frame, and you're done. It's an easy project, fast, and you can ship it out like instantly. So there's really nothing to it. A little bit of personalization, and that's it. And you can do different things. You can clear coat this. You can stain this. This is mahogany. It's gorgeous the way it is. Now I will have this in the description, plus I'll have the drawing, everything in there for you guys. I personally made these puzzles so they fit, and I made them so they were loose because I didn't want them so they were snap fit. I didn't like the look of it. I like the wider cut in between. It just looks nicer. It's more prominent. It shows that it's there, and you can do your own testing. If you don't like it, then change it up. But I have it all set up, ready to go, and I'll have the files in the Etsy link down below also if you want it. It's stuff like this that has kept our business going the way it's been going and so good. You have to have your foundation, and I am a firm believer in not doing the niche thing because that sets you up for one thing and failure, in my opinion. Tried it, didn't work, and we've done this from day one of the foundation, and it's worked flawlessly. So we've tried other things, but this has always worked for us. I'd rather sell 1 or 2 of these a week and 1 or 2 of 10 other items than just 100 of one thing. So this works, and it works for us, and this is what I'm showing you guys. So hope this helps someone, and I'll have some more videos on some other ones because I have 5 we're gonna do. So this one, you can have it as birthday, or you can have it as like an anniversary or Mother's Day gift. So you kind of go, there's a couple different ways with it, but that's what I did it this way because we can branch off. So 2 down, 3 more to go. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.